seeking passionate volunteers. I need your help to execute the world's tallest 32-foot e-waste art installation yet to be crafted. This monumental project promises to be an unforgettable journey towards sustainability and creativity. Are you thrilled to make something extraordinary? Join this remarkable mission and make a lasting impact on the world. Collaborate with a renowned contemporary artist, Vishwanth Mallabadi, having 30 years of e-waste artistry experience. Let's transform discarded electronics into a masterpiece that inspires change. Join me in creating history. Get ready to make a difference. Tag a friend who's passionate about the environment and nominate them too. Together, we can make a difference.